The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Today is Thursday, May 26th. Paul, Tom, Dominic, guys, good morning. Good morning. Very good morning to you, fellas. John, Leo, Dominic, Richard, guys, good morning. Good morning. We have, I have no bots on, just FYI. Thank you, Scott. We do have GDP at 8:30, so I will not be running any bots at this point. I did run bots this morning on one account, and this is what I did this morning. Hey, Melody, good morning. I did there's the 8 o'clock bell. I did 6:10 at about 5:30 this morning on one account. Last night, the bots were a little bit slow. I was gone. And when I came back, I did manage to catch a small trade for $175. So not sure how you guys fared last night, but it was slow early on. NASDAQ's going to come down if anybody is in this trade. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. For those of you that began your trials Monday, which is the majority of you, your trials will end tomorrow. Several of you began on Tuesday. And with Monday being a holiday, Tuesday will be your final day in the room. We'll, of course, give you the full week. You did 1,090 in the European session. Nice, John. I'm going to start turning my bots on for Europe. If you guys are in order flow class today, group number 5, Scott, did you look in the member area? If you guys are in order flow group number 5, and did you see a link for Saturday's education? The link was sent yesterday, fellas. That's okay, Rich. Right. So what would you presume? You're $45 away from account number 7. John. Nice. The link was sent, guys, for order flow class today at noon. If you do not have it, then you need to email me prior to the 12 o'clock class start. But the link has been sent. You all should have it. So, Scott, it's a very simple thing, right? If it's not in the member area yet, then the high degree of probability is I haven't posted it yet, right? It will be in the member area, guys. I know there's an aha moment, huh? An aha moment. It'll be there. It will be there. If anybody is in this ES trade, I think ES will get targets as well. NASDAQ just got first target. I'm not in any trades. I have no bots on. I would rather miss trades than get shuffled around. But let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll go through some charts. I'll show you what we're looking at. I suspect, as I'm sure most of you do, that GDP will be a miss. Or at least a negative number. I would be shocked if we aren't. Currently, while this thing is loading in protected view, there we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, couple of things. I have zero interest in being long at this point, fellas. None. I don't know what this bid is about. It wasn't good on any level. Crude is getting a bid. Crude, we've got buyers. Gold, again, if you joined late, I am in August gold. I've rolled gold. Yes, looks like it wants to come down, and NASDAQ as well. I do not have longs. Push it. NASDAQ gets above 87, and that'll go. Don't you pull back. I'll be out in a second. No, maybe not. It's still trying. I think it works, fellas. NASDAQ too. You guys know I rarely trade pre-market. NASDAQ is in worse shape. If ES gets above 03, target will go. It'll get to target. NASDAQ's resistance, fellas, is 84, 85. Okay, NASDAQ is long. Come on, break here on the ES and it'll get target. Damn it. NASDAQ also didn't break that 85. And that's pre-market, guys. You know, I rarely trade pre-market. Come on, NASDAQ, get above that 85. Above 85, it's going. Above 85 it goes, fellas. Trade them as you see fit. If you guys want to take risk off, you've got some ticks in YM. You've got, you know, a tick, 2 ticks in ES, and NASDAQ is being the laggard here. I'll be out of NASDAQ if this doesn't push back up quickly. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. It's got to get above 85 and NASDAQ goes right to target. It just can't get, now it can't even get above 82. Have buyers. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Those trades may still work. And again, I rarely trade pre-market. NASDAQ, I do like to the long side now. We're above small time frame stuff. We're fighting 85, but we have 2,100 net buyers. And here comes NASDAQ again. Maybe the 9 o'clock candle. It's trying if you guys stayed in the trades. Here it goes, I think, right here. There it goes. Come on, push it up. Anybody stay with them? You got your targets. NASDAQ just missed target 2. Anybody stay with them? Morning, Nick. We're shorts, guys. NASDAQ rallied up to value area high at 06, came back below this 95. We probably trade 77 and 65 again. Break below VWAP. Sellers coming in now. ES is going to go long on the bot in 2 minutes. And NASDAQ as well, I think. No. NASDAQ's going to be an order flow long. At the close of the candle. It's got to get above this area here, 76. It's pushing 15-minute resistance. I'll be damned. Still don't have any. Why don't I have? Oh, 7 seconds. Nice job, Caleb. Got a NASDAQ long as well. Come on. Pushing resistance at 8/4 on the ES. 8/4. Gold is going to go to a loss. You scumbags. Both of you. Come on. Let's go. Push. 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 Let's go, NASDAQ. Come on. Push. Go get that first target. Come on, buddy. Come on. God dang it. Getting close. Come on, NASDAQ. If NASDAQ gets above 21, it's going to blow. Come on, yes, go. Both of you. There's target 1 on NASDAQ. I'm going to move this out manually. There's target 1 ES. Target 2 ES. We're getting into this. If we break through here, we're going to get a 9. There we go, guys. Okay. Target's hit. Bot's done for the day, or at least that account is done for the day. That's 2 accounts now for me for the day. Well, I moved it before target 1 was filled. Guys, if we break here, we're going hooey. Seriously, hooey. This is major resistance. Do I still have my break? Yeah, I do. I should bring that out. There's a lot of guys that have not seen that. All right, fellas. Dennis, up 817 for the day. You're welcome. Guys, everybody green on their accounts now? You should all be green. Okay. Send me your totals. There we go. Nice job, Paul. You're welcome, John. Richard, so did you take ES and NASDAQ? You should be green then. All right, Eric. Everybody's hit daily goal already, guys. It's 9:39. All right. We have another funded trader. Nice job, Jeff. Here's another one, fellas. There we go. That's 2 today. Anybody else funded today? Nice job, Gary. Everybody's up. ES did not fire, but did get NQ up 420. Bots are off. All right. Guys, if we get through this area here on the NASDAQ, there's going to be, and the ES, there's going to be a short cover rally like you have never seen. ES should now work up to this 35 to 40 zone. We're going higher. This is exactly what I needed to see so that I could buy puts. All right, now let them calm down. Let me change accounts, guys. I've got one account up 735, another up 610. Let me change accounts. Let me change accounts here. I'm changing accounts on my DOMs. Let me now change them on my bots. Look at that gold. What a piece of work. Reload, 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 reload. All right. I want to see the NASDAQ get up to at least 12,400 area. We're pushing major resistance here, guys. But here, we've got right here. ES is going to 40.35. I'd hang on to that free. Here's gold on the DOM. Come on, you rat bag, go. This is my third Apex account of the day. Third. I'm moving that out to that third target. If I get it, great. If I don't care. Where's the high of the day? No, we're not even close to the high of the day. Yeah, in the afternoons, Paul. We're pushing big red, that's why. If we get up through 53.4, this is going back into the highs above 53.4. Now, this is the August gold contract. It's 4 ticks away from blowing. We can get 53.1 on the offer. I've not seen 53.1 bid yet. NASDAQ is gone, guys. Above 12,100. This could be a very fast move up to 170. ES is headed to 35 to 40. Come on, gold. Find some buyers, for gosh sake. There's NASDAQ above 12,100. There's 10 handles in a nanosecond. And we hit 53.1 on the bid for a second. There it goes. Come on. Anybody in the gold trade? I can't do anything with the indices here, guys. We're not long, you're not long. Yeah, the volume was split, Greg, so I rolled it. Only because my trade station is rolled. Just got to push through this 53.5. It's trying. It's pushing big red. If it gets through this resistance here, above 53.5 on the August contract, gold will rip. NASDAQ could pull back to 12,056. I don't think so. This is going to take me out here, guys. No, it didn't. We need a pullback. I'll buy NASDAQ at 57 if it came back down there. This is big resistance in here, guys, on the NASDAQ. Uh-oh. Come on, gold. Make that push. This damn 5-minute double top. New high of the day in ES coming. There it goes. Oh, we spiked up through. Come on. We got the 53.8. You guys can buy the breakout on the NASDAQ here. It'll give you a target. 5 handles pretty quickly. 17 to 22 pretty quick, I would think. Nice job, Steve. Guys, I have no other trades. Anybody took 17, you got target one at 22. Take some risk off, and now see if you can get a bigger move up if you want. But 3 contracts, pretty quick, couple $100. Okay, Richard, nice. Guys, I can't even watch this. It's too slow. It's going to be a slow session, guys. Money's been made. Everybody's green, right? Is everybody green, fellas? Done for the day. Nice. Anybody qualified today? Anybody else qualified? We have 2 today. Anybody else? $8 away. You can trade micros and get that. Just long NASDAQ, man. It's going higher. Okay, guys, we got a lot of guys within, a few $100. Gary's $99 away. Nice. $400 away for Dennis on another one. Arjan's $98 away. Steve's $8 away. Dominic's 500 away on another one. Very nice. Very nice. We're killing it, fellas. Killing it. Meanwhile, Buy-Side Global has 1 funded trader. 1. Uno. No mas. Uno. Doing big things over at BSG. Big things. We have 50 since last Friday. 50 since last Friday. Nice job, Dominic. Most consistency he's had since he started trading. Nice. James has 10 accounts. He's $4,000 or $5,000 over. Nice. There's the breakout, guys. I told you, you guys that are $8, $9 away, just trade micros. We're trading up here. Dean did a nice job on that video. He did. Guys, I'm not getting sucked into this. I don't have FOMO. I'm not doing anything up here. If I can't get a pullback, I will, of course, wait. But we're getting a massive short cover at this point. It's just an oversold rally in a bear market. This is good stuff. Let me just take a look at a couple of options, guys. All right, we got another one. Chris qualified, went over by $7. There we go. There you go. It's 3 today. Congratulations, Chris. CL's going to 120, fellas. We broke out. We're going back up to 120. USO. Caleb, USO. Let me take a look at Tesla here, guys. All right, we're finally slowing down. And gold went and hit that third target after it pulled back and took me out. Anybody have any questions? I'm sitting here watching until I get a damn pullback. There's nothing to do. Steve, are you in the room? Let's bring it up. Derek Allison. I don't know what it is in the EU, but it's a partial holiday. And then next week, the UK has a holiday. We, of course, have a holiday on Monday. I mean, this is kind of par for the course, light volume and a big move up. Let them move. Let them move. It's 4 today, fellas. Putin Day, big winner. It's Putin Day. And yet another funded trader, fellas. Nice job, Josh. Just got his email. Okay, Tom. I mean, it should get target, guys. It is 14 ticks. It's a big, big first target. Came 2 ticks from target. I'm going to take some ticks off here. So I took some off, guys. I mean, it's 14 ticks. That's bigger than our normal, first target. And now I'll see if I can't get down here. So this account now is at 315. If I get that target, I got a third Apex account that's over 500 on the day. So I'll get it over 500, whether it's later today or whatever. I'll order flow trade it, whatever. Anybody else qualified today, guys? Anybody else? We have 5 today. This is all week. Look at this week. 16 on Monday, 6 on Tuesday, 6 on Wednesday, 5 so far on Thursday. So we have 16 plus 6 plus 6 plus today we have 5. We have 33 for the week. All right, Gary, you'll get them tomorrow, man. You need $80. You got them tomorrow. First target was hit, by the way, on the bot. First target was hit. Little bit of support here on the 1 minute. If we get down below that 51.5, she's coming. She's coming. We stopped right about that 51.5. We got 1 tick through. It's got to get through this 51.5. It's VWAP. So watch this. There it goes. This will put me over 500. If I take it off now, I'm over 500. You can have it. 535. Done. That's it. 3 accounts today, guys. Here are my totals. 535, a 610, and a 735. So 735 plus 610 plus 535. 3 accounts, 1880. Thank you, Peter. I'll take it. Yesterday I did 4 accounts over 4,000. There we go, right back up. Bananas. Seriously, bananas. I'm not touching this crap. Fellas, it's about 11 a.m. This is where I bid you adieu. If you guys are here on trial, you have one more session. If you've not already made your minds up, if we haven't convinced you this week to become a member with us, you are never going to be convinced. There is no rabbit for me to pull out of the hat, fellas. It's been a great week. I will be sending you as trials out your last daily email. There will be no follow-up tomorrow. If anybody has any questions, members of trial alike, email me. For my 1 o'clock guys, I'll see you in 2 hours. My order flow group, I'll see you in 1 hour. Send me your totals, fellas, please. Be blessed. Have a wonderful day. I will see all of you tomorrow, 8 a.m.